version called Develop Air Mini, and actually it's like, oh my God, this is all way too complex for me. Literally all of like the improvements that we've made since having like this older version of Develop Air have been made by high school students by and large that work with us. All the payloads that attach to our drones are made by predominantly high school students. A lot of the high school students that work with us also help us on the software development. And so right now, these are all development platforms, seeing what you can build to get a drone to do, but we're working towards a future where every household, every business owns a drone in the same way. They pretty much all own cars and computers today, where right now you have a drone and you're pretty much considered like a fringe like person in society, like a drone operator, like you're a photographer, videographer, a military person, or maybe just someone playing around with toys, but no one considers themselves a car or computer operator. It's just part of being human. And I think we'll, in the next decade or two, every household, every business, like you have your own drone, even just from like a delivery perspective, that you send your own drone to the local Amazon locker, fast food restaurant, retail store, and it becomes your own delivery assistant. And then that same drone can be used for like chores, watering your garden, fertilizing your yard, searching the neighborhood if your dog gets out of the yard, right? Having your kids play laser tag with it because you're tired of them playing video games inside all day, right?
I get that. I like it. And I love that actually like it's like high schoolers are actually like helping with it. And it's not just...
It's not out of reach. That's
right,
yeah.
Right. I like this.
Well, if you are involved in any STEM classes at your school, please hand this out, and then let me give you a business card as well. And love to do demos, presentations, get you and your classmates hands-on time with Develop Air, and hopefully bring it into your class.
I pray y'all succeed. Pray y'all get there.
Oh, thank you.
Everybody has a drone.
One step at a time. Hey, you're just here for